How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete all videos on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. And once you launch the TikTok app, let's say whenever you come to your profile page here, you have set a many of videos over here, and then it's too tiresome for you to delete them one after another. You would like to delete all videos. Well, there is no way to delete all of these videos at once. What you can instead just try to do is just select a certain video, tap the three dots option here, and then scroll down to the bottom right, select the option called delete, and when you tap the delete option, that video will get deleted, and then you can repeat the process for all of these videos. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you are trying to delete all the videos, you might actually not have this account as important to you. In that case, you can just try to delete this account and then just create a new account. To delete the account, tap the three lines option here, and then go to settings and privacy, go to account, go to deactivate or delete account, and then just select the delete account to get rid of all of your photos and videos. This way you should be able to delete all videos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.